Welcome. Today you're going to learn how to do a freeze frame, and then we'll look at how to do a freeze frame where we can add motion. The first thing you want to do is select your clip, and you want to watch it until you find the place where you want to freeze frame. Mine is somewhere around here. I'm using the left and right arrows to find the exact frame. Now, if I was filming this again, I would just pause the camera and make sure the subject was in focus, and then just physically move the camera to get this zoom so it would be more crisp. But this is the footage I have, so we're going to work with it. Come down to your clip and right click, and you want to find where it says Insert Frame Hold Segment. Automatically adds a 2-second segment of the still frame, and now we can read it. Now, if you want to actually do something to that clip, what we're going to need to do is put the cursor back to where we want it, and instead of doing the frame hold, we're going to come up here to the camera, and we're going to export a frame. And then you want to name it, and you also want to know where it's going. It should be going into your project files. Import into the project and say OK. Here it is over to the side. I now drag it onto my timeline. It turns up pink. If I want to shorten it to be about the same 2 seconds, I can. And now when I click on it and I see up here at the top and I'm under Effect Controls, Editing Effect Controls, I'm now going to set the position keyframe, see the little dot, and the scale keyframe, see the little dot, and then I'm going to drag it about 2/3, and I'm going to again change the scale and the position so that we can read the message a little more clearly. So now when I pull this back and I watch it, it zooms in and we can read it. And that's how you can freeze frame.